how to tell your partner you want an open relationship. All right. Praise your partner. Brush up on good communication skills. Okay, so it's you, not, no, wait. It's me, not you. You know, I've just been doing a lot of soul searching. I've been doing a lot of soul searching lately. Okay, I got this. It's just that I've been doing a lot of soul searching, and the world has so many possibilities. I just don't think we're meant to put all of our eggs in one basket. Oh, don't cry. Here. Well, if you really need to know, its name is Shimoda Explore 30.
This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace is a fantastic place to easily build a gorgeous website, gallery, or your business. You can save 10% off your first purchase by going to squarespace.com/photorectv.
We've all been there, haven't we? It is difficult finding the perfect camera bag. I've been using a Mindshift Backlight 26L for the last couple of years, and as a camera bag carrying my camera gear, I've got no real complaints, but it is 100% a camera bag. And lately, I've been looking for something that gives me a little more flexibility, something that can carry camera gear and a decent amount of additional stuff. Clothes, raincoat, water bottle, snacks, and even more importantly, lets me be flexible from trip to trip. Maybe there's a trip where I need minimal camera gear and maximal extra stuff, or vice versa. The Shimoda Explore 30 backpack caught my eye last year because it offers that flexibility and, well, honestly, because it's a pretty looking bag. Now, I've been using this bag since January and I'm ready to share some thoughts with you. The Shimoda Explore 30 is a modular bag. You buy the bag and separately purchase the inserts that are going to work for you. The Explore 30 that I'm using here will fit one large or one medium plus a small or 3 small inserts at the same time. This gives you a large amount of flexibility in how you carry your gear and of course how much camera gear you're carrying. I've been using the medium core and I really love that I can own a medium and a small and use both or one or the other depending on my needs for the trip. That's some great flexibility and it's exactly what I was looking for. In addition, this bag is full of lovely little smart design touches. You've got a spot right on the front for a water bottle or a snack, another spot for keys or a phone. You have back access, which I love. It makes my gear more secure. You can set this up for side access with some of the other modules. On the other side, you've got a removable pouch that I find a little floppy, but it can be useful for additional storage, and it is removable. And maybe most importantly, it is a comfortable bag with a large amount of customization that lets you get the fit just right. And you even got a little whistle right here on the strap.
Look, if you're watching this video, you're probably somebody who enjoys getting out, exploring, and making beautiful photos. I want to provide you a place to display those photos. Squarespace makes it possible to easily build beautiful and professional-looking portfolios without spending hours sitting in front of the computer. They also have e-commerce tools if you want to sell prints of your work, or if you're a photographer booking appointments, their appointment scheduling service easily allows that. It is an all-in-one platform that's going to allow you to display your work and communicate with your customers. It's a fantastic service. They've got a free 14-day trial, no credit card required, but if you're interested in purchasing, you can start at squarespace.com/photorec.tv and save 10% off your order.
I do have a few complaints. The modular inserts use really stiff dividers, which makes gear retrieval just a little bit more difficult, and it all has minimal padding. And in the medium core that I've been working with, you've got this narrow strip that's a little awkward. I haven't found a configuration that avoids it, and sometimes it all ends up under the back access zipper, and it really makes one side a little bit tighter and a little bit more wasted space than I think it needs to be. And finally, cost. This bag can get expensive. I mean, the cost of the bag plus an internal cube or two, if you really want the flexibility, you start to add that cost up. Now, it is competitive with other modular camera bag systems, but it's certainly more expensive than a non-modular bag. Overall, this is a really nice bag. It offers some of the best designs in a modular system on the market. I'm happy to recommend it as long as you're okay with paying extra for that flexible modular system. As I said, I've been testing the 30. That's a nice size, but when you load it up with camera gear, of course, there's not that much more room. So if you really want additional flexibility in carrying larger amounts, you should consider their 40 or even the 60. I have links below to check out all of the bags they offer, including their other line of action adventure bags. If you appreciated this review, give it a quick thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified of future videos. And don't forget to check out Squarespace, squarespace.com/photorectv to save on your future purchase. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.